Akakiiko akononyereza ku muloodi Meeya wa Kampala katandise ku ssaawa 4 ez'okumakya ku woteeri ya Metropole mu Kampala. Amangu ddala bakansala bagasimbaganye ne Bapuliida ba Lukwago abakulembeddwamu Abdu Katuntu ne Meeya Lubega Seggona era nga bano batandikiddewo okubasoya ebibuuzo ebyokumukumu. Kansala akiikirira ssettendekero w'e Makerere mu lukiiko lwa KCCA Bernard Luiga y'omu ku basoyeddwa ebibuuzo ng'abadde anekedde mu kkanzu ye naye ng'asanze akaseera akazibu wadde nga zaakyogera lunye nga bw'ayagala Lukwago agobwe ku bwa Meeya.
The question is simple. Do you want the law removed or not?
We know everything about the law, so don't try to throw the book at us.
Yes, my Lord.
Just ask us what is your problem.
My Lord, I don't know the intention why the question is being asked, but my testimony, my Lord, when I came to testify, it spoke volume of why I was invited for this honorable tribunal. So I don't know why. When he was furnished, the respondent was furnished with my testimony, and then probably if he can ask anything which doesn't probably he wants me to clear as I put my testimony, that will be fine. But for me, my testimony is very clear. I put it, and that's why I'm not a petitioner. Everyone knows I'm not a petitioner, but I give my testimony.
Kansala w'Ekyambogo Bruhani Byaruhanga nga ye yaleeta ekiteeso eky'okugoba Lord Meeya naye amaaso gabamyukidde mu kakiiko era obwedda yeekuba enduwo ku nsonga ezimu.
Were you talking about only your committee or you are communicating about all committees? If the committees are duly sanctioned to carry out their duties, your letter in black and white, and you are even using her own letterhead in her own office. My Lord, is it true or is not?
My Lord, I'm certain of that.
Wadde nga bakansala obwedda batamatama kino tekirobedde Bapuliida ba Lord Meeya okugenda mu maaso n'okubasoya ebibuuzo.
So, was this meeting attended by the RCC?
It wasn't a meeting.
Yeah, was it attended by RCC?
That one I can't remember, and I don't think the RCC can attend an illegal gathering.
But the council, in your name, you attended an illegal gathering.
That one I told you I was there. That's why I said that he led to the suffering of people, and I know what I'm talking about.
Have they been discussed?
Because many meetings have been adjourned.
No, every meeting has to be adjourned when it comes to
it has been resumed. So it has been resumed and resumed and resumed.
How far did you go? Yes, registered nurse? You're registered nurse?
Diploma holder.
Okay. Also confirm, are you a registered nurse or not?
I'm a diploma holder.
Are you a registered nurse?
I'm a diploma holder.
Kyokka wadde bakunyiziddwa abamu ne batandika n'okwogera ebitakwatagana kino nno tekibajje ku mulamwa nga basigadde bagamba nti Lukwago yalemesezza emirimu gya Kampala okugenda mu maaso.
Do you want the Lord Meeya out of office or in?
For the good running of the capital city, I think the Meeya should rest and we have no blood and we start off because we are here for service delivery. I want to assure you, Lord Meeya, your worship, that we have not had.
Please don't worship me, there is nobody to worship here.
Akakiiko kaddamu okutuula ku lwokubiri lwa ssabbiiti ejja ng'omuloodi Meeya wa Kampala Ssaalongo Erias Lukwago lwasuubira okwewozaako. Stella Nabakooza, WBS TV.